Numbers represent the fabric of our reality, but understanding that isn't that easy. I'd like to start by talking about the importance of mathematics. So let's just have a look at a few quotes. Neil deGrasse Tyson says math is the language of the universe. To not know math is a severe limitation to understanding. Marston Morse describes mathematics as the result of mysterious powers which no one understands and which the unconscious recognition of beauty must play some important part. When Europeans first came to Africa, they considered the architecture very disorganized and thus primitive. It never occurred to them that the Africans might have been using a form of mathematics that they hadn't even discovered yet. Mathematics is a more powerful instrument of knowledge than any other that has been bequeathed to us by human agency. The power of mathematics is often to change one thing into another, to change geometry into language. Everything around you is mathematics. Everything around you is numbers. Go down deep enough into anything and you will find mathematics. The book of nature is written in the language of mathematics. Even Pythagoras said, "Numbers rule the universe." So what's all this talk about mathematics and numbers got to do with ancient sites? It's got a lot to do with ancient sites, especially this channel, because so many of the particularly old sites have numerical, let's call them coincidences for lack of a better word, that defy explanation. And in the ancient sites, it is particularly impressive. And so, that is why I've taken a particular interest. And it's the reason I want to learn more about the sacred geometry around the ancient sites. We really need to go and have a look at least one other video. Now, the one that I've started with is one by a crowd called After School, and it's by Randall Carlson, and he talks about numbers and the symbolism and form that is universal. So unless you're already familiar with the complexity of sacred geometry and mathematics, please just go and watch the wonderful episode by After School with Randall Carlson.